Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about how you can add signature in your Google Docs. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is select a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.docs.google.com. Once you do so, you will end up in its official web browser. Then you can simply select a file or create a blank document. So once you select so, you will end up in this kind of page. Now to add your signature, all you need to do is simply press on the insert button, and once you press on it, you can find the drawing option. So simply select the new option, or from the drive you can upload your signature as well. However, by selecting new, you can draw your signature itself. So simply press on the line option and from there select scribble. So once you select scribble, you can now draw your signature on it. After you are done drawing, you can simply press on save and close. Now your signature will appear on your Google Docs. After your signature appears, you can adjust it according to your preference and place it anywhere you like. So this way you can add your signature on Google Docs. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.